You probably are aware of the benefits of Himalayan salt, but I bet you didn't know this. We all love the little pink salt crystals that make food taste just oh so good. But did you know Himalayan salt can also be used to make lamps? In fact, Himalayan salt lamps are incredibly good for you. According to Wellness Mama, Himalayan salt lamps are effective in cleaning indoor air, reducing allergies, and improving the general mood. Lamps, such as those ranked by Sea Salt Health, are generally made by placing a light bulb inside a hollowed piece of pure Himalayan salt. They can also be made by placing a light source underneath a basket filled with smaller chunks of the salt. Both types produce a soft, pink glow. According to Color Effects, simply adding pink to a space can have soothing, nurturing effects. Himalayan sea salt lamps work because the salt attracts water molecules in the air. These water molecules carry bacteria, mold, pollen, smoke, and other nasty particles that make us sick and dampen the mood of an environment. The particles stick to the Himalayan salt lamp, while the heat dries and eliminates them, in a process that cyclically cleans the air and creates an overall healthier environment. According to negative ionizers, Himalayan salt lamps should be placed wherever you spend the majority of your time. For example, you may want to keep one on your bedside table and another in your office. Enhancing your indoor environment with a Himalayan salt lamp can have an extraordinary effect on your health. In addition to cleaning the air, Himalayan salt lamps are thought to reduce the frequency of flu and migraine, induce relaxation, improve concentration, and support sleep. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.